The SVBONY SV48P 90mm telescope stands out with its large 90mm aperture and 500mm focal length, providing a wider field of view and higher light input than its 70mm and 80mm counterparts, making it ideal for beginners in astronomy. The telescope is equipped with a double-speed focuser with a gear ratio of 1:10, allowing for precise and smooth adjustability. The high interface accuracy of the focusing mount with metal interface guarantees the parallelism of the optical axis, thereby enhancing the overall observation experience. The telescope comes with a fully Multil green-coated lens fitted with achromatic glass, which ensures good edge-to-edge viewing and maximizes light transmission while eliminating false color. The SV48P model offers 360 degrees rotation, which is convenient for photographic composition and visual observation, and the focus can be rotated 360 degrees for astronomical shooting. Despite its robust features and high performance, the SVBONY SV48P 90mm telescope is reasonably priced at $299.99, and it enjoys a good review score of 4.4 with 41 reviews.